babyprepping.com and babyprepping.com, and I'm back with the latest Ecocentric Mom Box. This is the Ecocentric Mom Box from July. As you can see on our website and on our social media, Ecocentric Mom Box is our favorite subscription box. We've been receiving and sharing with you guys this subscription box for the last about 12 months, I want to say, and it's really grown on us. We like it more and more. The product selection has become much better, I would say, over the past year. And yeah, so we're going to dig into this one, see what's in there this month, and give you the prices as well as the total value of the box. And please make sure if you order it, get 30% off your first box with our discount code. So let's get right to it. Alright, so this month new, welcome to your July box. So this month new, they have a link that will give you more information about their products, ingredients, and prices of the products inside the box, which in the past few months they have been sending us those cute little cards in an envelope, but it was not always, all of the products were not always listed, so that was a slight issue. So I think they're trying to solve this with this little link and card, and I find this much eco-friendlier than what they were trying to do before, so this is great. Alright, first up, a mask for mom, Masquerade, a Beauty Restore facial mask. That's always fun. We need those every now and then. It's a hydrating facial mask, facial sheet mask from Masquerade. So no parabens added, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, artificial fragrance-free, and so on. So that's a fun product. I have not seen this in the stores before, so I'm excited to try this out. Next up, we have a little shopping bag by Blueback. They're the new trend, I want to say, little shopping bags. They come in these little bags. I have seen those before, not the exact same design. I like this with the hook because you can really hook it onto your purse. You don't necessarily have to have it inside the purse and take room away. So this is what's inside. Oh, that's a pretty big tote. So that's perfect, and it really comes in such a small little pouch that you won't be able to tell that you have this on you, but you can definitely fill this bag with a bunch of groceries or drugstore items. So I'm a big fan of those, and the design is pretty cute. It has little Vespas on it, and the color, green color, is really cute, so that's fun. There's a hook on here. Maybe that comes in handy when you place it somewhere, want to hang it somewhere, so that's fun. Next up, we have a very popular item in my household, Boom Chicka Pop popcorn by Angie's, and it's sweet and salty kettle corn, 140 calories per bag. We know this one, so that I'm very excited that this is in here because this is going to be gone within a day or two. So amazing. Next up, we have a sunset oil by Air. I have never heard of this brand before. Let's see what this is. An arnica and aloe infused body oil contains soothing essential oils and vitamins to heal parched skin damaged by the sun, salt, and wind. For everyday use or apply post-sun exposure to keep skin extra moisturized, an essential oil for beach bums. Ooh, this smells really good. Jojoba and aloe. Cool. Next up, we have a baby shampoo and wash by Marama Natural Baby. The that looks very clean and organic. It's clear. The label is very bright. I like that. 8 flat ounces. It's a gentle chamomile and lavender scented wash for baby sensitive skin. Sulfates free, paraben free, vegan, cruelty free. This is definitely gonna get used up quickly in my bathroom, especially because I love lavender as well as for my little one and for myself. So that's perfect. Next up, I believe that's gonna be our last product. Yep. We have a Sproutware plate, 3-pack. So 3 Sproutware plates by Green Sprouts. I believe they're only blue, made from plant-based material. Oh, there are 3 colors in here, blue, yellow, and green. That's always fun if you have different colors. Let me see, I can take this off so I can read a little more about it. It's plant-based, reusable, and easy to go. That's for sure. You can take those with you as well to restaurants. And when you travel, it's PVC free, BPA free, and made with food safe dyes. So that's fun for the little ones and great for moms to take with you. Perfect. So that was our last product. Let's do a quick recap. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in the box this month, in the July box. First up was the Masquerade, the facial sheet mask, which I'm going to use tonight. Then I would say probably my favorite, this box, this reusable tote that comes in this tiny little pouch with the hook. So it's by it's a blue bag by Rock Flower Paper. I'm sorry, I thought it was Blue Bag was the brand, but it's actually Blue Bag by Rock Flower Paper. So you guys, you can't, there you go. So yeah, and there it talks about problems with single-use bags on here, and I want to say that I believe that's a huge problem. And it says on here that the average American uses 300 plastic bags per year, and this is such an easy solution. You can literally buy 5 of those and keep 1 in your car or 2 in your cars. You know, try to have 1 in your purse and always carry them with you, and that is such an easy solution, and it's so cute, and it's so much sturdier than the plastic bags that can eventually rip and break while you carry them. So I'm a really big fan of those, and I'm really happy I got one of those in my Ecocentric mom box. Next we had the Boom Chicka Pop, the sweet and salty popcorn. A big favorite in my house, so this is gonna be gone within the next couple of hours. Next we had the Sunset Oil by Air. There you go. It smells really good, and I'm really excited to use this one after we spend a day at the pool. So perfect. Then we had the Baby Shampoo and Wash by Marama with chamomile and lavender. This is also, it looks very cute. I can open it to smell it, but I know it's gonna smell amazing. Yes, it smells beautifully lavendery, and that's definitely right up my alley, so this is also gonna be gone very soon. And the last product was the Sproutware plates by Green Sprouts. It's a 3-pack, 3 different colors, reusable, plant-based, perfect for on the go, perfect for your little one. That's it, guys. That was July's Ecocentric Mom Box. We will check out the link. We will let you know what the total value of our box was, so you can get an idea of what a great deal you get out of this box. And please let us know if you have any comments or questions. Otherwise, we'll be back next month with August's Ecocentric Mom Box. Thank you. Bye.